All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol NIO Neil Inc. And before I jump into this chart, I do want to state some things. And the first thing is welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. Hope you guys find this video helpful and informative, and it means you well. To all my subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your support and recognition to my efforts. I really appreciate the feedback, and I hope to continue to relay helpful and informative information and nothing less. Let's jump into this chart. So a very bearish run here, as we could see, and it leveled off, and quickly today the bulls reappeared, broke through the 50-day moving average, and that only lasted for about 2 hours. As soon as it tore through it, it hit new lows, but we can clearly see here that support was broken through one time and a second time within the same hour, but the rest of the day the bulls managed to use that support as a location of support to not allow this to hit newer lows, and they leveled it off, they hit it again, and then they recovered it, and they closed slightly below the 50-day moving average by a couple of cents. 50-day moving average is 17.99. I write that down. We're currently below it after closing at 17.97. As long as we stay below it, the bears have leverage to gain control, or if we cross it, the bulls can be on their way to newer highs. So let's go ahead and look at our new resistance levels and support. Our support did not change by much. If anything, it's fairly close to the same due to the fact that it was touched and used once again, and our resistance is slightly above the 50-day moving average way back here on how it reacted. And then after this resistance, I will explain about our next resistance. So first thing is our support here. Our support is slightly not much different from yesterday's, and it's 1751. 1751 is the support. If the bears are able to bring this one down in this direction, I can't emphasize this enough, that pay close attention to it, because it was a support that was clearly used today, Friday, and yesterday by the bulls, and if they lose that, there could be an exhaustion, and the bears will take advantage of that to bring this to newer lows and reach newer support levels. So I want to emphasize how important it is to pay close attention to how this reacts at the 1751 mark. Put your 5-minute, 15-minute, 1-hour candlesticks, 30-minute, whichever chart you want to use during the day to see different perspectives and zoom in and zoom out to see what's going on. But if this starts to break through that and hit newer lows fairly quickly, the bears will be on their way to hit new supports and bring this further away from the 50-day moving average in a downward direction. Now with this momentum, we're going to want to see if the bulls can continue, and their goal is to break through 1801. If the bulls are able to break through 1801 and turn that into support, they will be on their way to hitting newer highs, and they've accomplished two things. They broke through the 50-day moving average, and they broke through the resistance, which is very important. By doing so, they will be on their way to reaching newer resistance levels and bullish territory. Now, if they could accomplish that, their next resistance level is the highest point of the day, which was the second candlestick of the day, or actually the first, excuse me, from yesterday to today. And the bulls came in hefty and strong, and they reached 1818. So that is the most important resistance level for this to move further away from the 50-day moving average in an upward direction and start to hit newer resistance levels and newer highs as it continues with this bullish rally. So very important. But before getting there, 1801 will accomplish breaking through the 50-day moving average and the resistance level, turning into support, and then the bulls can start to work their way up to new resistance levels. As always, hope you guys found this video helpful and informative. Share this with your friends and community. Don't forget to hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. And if you feel inclined to subscribe, don't forget to click on the bell by turning on all notifications to not miss a single video that I post. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.